the resources to do it and show him how methods to do it. I will also do once with you and leave you. Then I will not interfere. The whole responsibility of that Yajamana I have shifted to you. As you are become a junior Yajamana. You got it? He, through his skills, he will delegate or he will do it on his own. Like that, you have to be a leader. But the problem with some of the meditators is they have to be very soft. You said about partnership. 1989, 88, I started working as an engineer. Okay, I worked for 7 years. Then I started my own. On the day of my marriage, I resigned. I was unemployed on the day of my marriage. Of course, I started in my own house in the garage with just 5,000 and maybe a bike. Married to an architect with a dream in the eyes. With a lot of huge contacts and friends. Of course, now also I have. That time also I had. But what kind of work? You just come out of your profession. You want big work? Any work. Then I joined with one challenge of a person. I solved it. Okay? I did some joint ventures. I solved that challenge. He's a Kerala Muslim. Okay? He saw my dynamism and asked, why don't you be my partner? You got it? So, there, see the strategy, Mahesh, is I have a dynamism, I have the skills and knowledge. What I don't have is this. I don't have space, I don't have money. He had it. So, in partnership, what happens is if you go ahead with the same strugglers, two strugglers coming together, I think it is not worth. Okay. Lakshmi should join Saraswati. Lakshmi says, Kelsa Mada. So the combination is Lakshmi, Saraswati and the army. 3 people. Please look at it. Business, whoever wants to start. Lakshmi is needed, Saraswati is needed, skill. I was talking to you about the product, knowledge. If you don't know the product knowledge, what is it? You cannot sell it. You should know competitive price. You should know where the place. You have the 5 P's, 6 P's of marketing. You are discussing that you should know the product. You should have known the product. You should have done the market research. You should have priced it properly. Or maybe ನನ್ನ ಕೈಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಇದು 300 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. Prem Kumar is giving his autograph. 150 rupees becomes 300 rupees. Is why I am giving personally autograph. This is the price. I am giving a personally autograph. Maybe I may give a post for a photograph. It will cost 1,000 rupees. Price. You can the same 150 rupees or even less. 100 rupees become 1,000 rupees if you give value to it. You got it? So if you add more value. That is how the price, the place, promotion. If you are talking about that, promotion, and keep talking about your business. Who will do all that? People, another P is people. You don't know how to manage people? Engage. So much involved in a business. And market conditions, climatic conditions. ಇವತ್ತು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾಳೆ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ತುಂಬ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾಳೆ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. I mean, these are all the ups and downs of business are common. Any business, any life almost. But I am talking about living differently is, from my knowledge, meditators usually this wrong concept of soft corners, soft attitudes. Maybe others will take that as a weakness. This fellow is fit for nothing. So, be strong wherever it needs to be strong. You say assertively, sorry, now. One no is 100 no's.
Exactly.
Exact comeback, sir. Appa, no. ನನ್ನ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಆಗೋದು ಬೇರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೋ ಅಂದರೆ ನೋ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೇ ನೋ. Very clear. When I said no, it is no. Especially when children are until they become 18, 20, they don't know what they do. They can't decide for themselves. We have to decide. After they get experience, okay? After 20, they may get. But until the, as you said, the business start ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. Because for the first time you started without, and both the people are struggling.
Yes.
Both the people have the same problem. So he will try to manipulate you. If you are weak, you will get manipulated. If you are strong, you will not get it. So from that day, Malayali Muslim 3 years. Then one more Srinath, I had, and my brother also there for some time. All entry exit. See, there is always, even company also, even gurus, 7 gurus, add an entry, add an exit. I didn't plan my exit, of course it happened on its own. Asked institution or not even close again. I didn't fight with them. I want going, bye bye. You people are useless people. No, I want Ramakrishna, Paramahamsa, Vivekananda. Why I want people who are running it? I want Patriji. I am not talking about people who are running the pyramid, who are running something. Why you are worried about them? He has changed. He has changed our mind, attitude. Half a day, they were talking about beating around the bush, but not coming to the personal change. Patriji talks directly personal change. First you change. So if you go to some place and if you get attached to that, that cannot work out, right? You want all the 7 masters to respect. Still I may get 1 or 2 more masters, I don't know. But with all I learned, the School of Ancient Wisdom, I still go. Osho, friends, they are so close to me. They still are in the crazy ways. General party, Osho party, Osho general. Because Osho is at that time, not now, at that time is a very loose philosophy. Yeah, because he never said be free, be free, be free. So people never went into any specific things. Okay. So Osho had, now people have understood Osho properly. Satyasai, Sukhabodhananji, all these people are still keep in touch. As he said, partners of Allah. They have come in my life. I have entered, I have moved out. Gracefully you move out. Don't fight with anybody. Partnership, don't fight with somebody. Okay, bye. Thank you. You are there with me. Maybe these kind of little corrections may help. Because ತುಂಬಾ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಲೂ ಸಹ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ಯುವಕರು ಹೋಗಿ ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನೇನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ವಾಲಂಟರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ 6 months. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ 6 ತಿಂಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆಯಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ತಿನ್ನ 6 ತಿಂಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತದೆ. I mean, you are losing your confidence. You have waste 30, 35, or cross out and the age factor comes. Then you look back and say, ಏನೋ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಬದ್ಧತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿನಗೆ. You are not committed to meditation, you are not committed to your life. You are not gone. He is committed to his company. I think it will hold his hand. If he is not committed to your company, how will you hold? ಇವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸತಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಬರೋಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗಂತ ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ವಿ ಕೀಪ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸತಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ಗಳಾಗ್ತವೆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು. ಇವತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 7-8 ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, 700 ಜನ ಇದ್ರು ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಏನು ಅದೇ ಸೇಮ್, 7,000 ಇದ್ರು ಅದೇ, 7 ಜನ ಇದ್ರು ಅದೇ. ಯಾರು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Accept the fact, no? Why you fight with it? So don't fight with it. And especially ನನಗೆ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಸಮುರಾಯ್. Meditate when you do your work, that is a meditation. Don't spend 8 hours what you're supposed to use for 2 hours. For a meditator, 2 hours is enough.
Yes.
If you do it properly. Another 6 hours you can read something and do something else. The difference between a meditator and the other person is he is more effective, he is more creative. As far as my knowledge goes, I only start things. It is executed by others. The ideas are mine. The ideas are innovative. If you don't think big and innovate, you will vanish. Qualys highest sales it was discontinued. Why? Before it falls, it gets discontinued. Before you are falling from superstardom, you should quit acting. Huh? If you go on, so you have seen there is a shelf life. 35 years he has worked for HL, he has worked for BSNL, he has been working in various places and been seeing ups and downs in all the spheres, lot of youngsters like that. Okay. I usually give a long rope to everybody. ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ you don't have so much of patience. ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರಲಿ ಬಿಡ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಕ್ಕ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೇಡ, ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಯಾವತ್ತಾರ ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಬಂದು ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಹಗ್ಗ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ಬಿಡೋದು, ನಮ್ಮದು ಅವನ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಕಟ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಮಿನೇಟ್ people who appreciate you are great, people criticize are wrong. If more people are criticizing you, you are in the right track. If more